everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here with the September DegustaBox on September 14th. I know it's late in the month to do this, but life has been crazy. Our kids didn't start school until September, the first Wednesday, and it's just been non-stop going, and we're continuing to go. So I just need to do this because it's not going to get done otherwise. So let's get right to this, see what's inside. Okay, so in here we have tiger tail mustard. It's just the best things in life are seasoned with tradition. We've tried their tiger tail mustard before. We like it, and I guess maybe it's in here again because there's a recipe on the back, so we'll have to see. There's a 50-cent coupon off of high brew cold brew coffee. There's Marquee, something from Marquee, and turn that around, and we have get your free Marquee with this coupon at a store near you. Albertsons, Bristol Farms, Fresh Time, Lassen's, Myers, Sednick, Shaw's, Target, Los Angeles, now available on Amazon.com Prime. Follow us on social media at Drink Marquee, buy one, get one free. Okay. All right, now let's get to the contents. So we've got 2 bags of the organic chickpea puffs, Hippies. And Hippies or organic chickpea puffs are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, no nuts, no soy, and totally delicious. Their vegan white cheddar flavor is righteously cheesy, just without the cheese. Something to meditate on while you munch. Happening Hickory gives you that groovy tomato, onion, and garlic flavor with a smoky barbecue bite. And remember, you can get this same box for only $9.99, which is half price. There's no other fees, no other shipping and handling or anything else on it, $9.99. You can get it delivered every month, so you should check it out. The link is in the video description. Let's take a look at what else we have here. We have a Chinese meal kit by Marian's Kitchen. That's the Kung Pao kit. So they also make a General Chow's meal kit, but the Kung Pao meal kit is a classic dish from China's Sichuan province. I probably butchered that. Kung Pao is everything you could want in a stir fry, a little bit of spice, a dash of sweet, and a whole lot of yummy. Their all-natural meal kit lets you cook a killer Kung Pao in under 15 minutes. Enjoy. So that sounds interesting. And then we have GoCo Crunchy Coconut Bites are made of the best coconuts, gently toasted and pressed into bite-sized pieces. This convenient coconut snack uses simple, high-quality ingredients that are ethically and sustainably sourced. So there's 2 different flavors. Now this is the roasted chia seed. So that sounds like something interesting. And then we have, great, because we were running low, we had it in a bottle last time. This is in a tube, kind of interesting packaging. This is that tiger tail mustard. Mustard in a tube? Yes, please. Tiger tail's medium style mustard is our authentic German recipe, brought to you in the most unique packaging on the market, made from stone ground mustard seeds. The craft flavor with a bite of heat will have you wanting more. Hashtag Tiger Tail. From the Chia Company, we have Pure Chia to You in its simplest form, pure, clean, and sun-ripened. We recommend 1 tablespoon of chia every day. Sprinkle onto your salads, your cereals, yogurt, smoothies, add to your baking. 2 chia shots equals 1 dose of chia. We have Garden of Life Clean Protein on the Go. Whatever your goal, we help you get there with our delicious, simple protein bars made exclusively from real certified organic, non-GMO, project verified, whole food ingredients, no compromise, no GMOs, no RBGH, or BST, no junk, no kidding. These retail for $2.49. Forgot to give you the retail prices. These retail for 99 cents each. The chia shots, the tiger tail mustard retails for, that's $1. That's some buy for $1. Okay, and the snacks, $2.99. And the hippies, $1.49 each. So now we're all caught up. So we have PB Crave chocolate chip cookie dough, flavored peanut butter, sweetened with real honey and real ingredients. Enjoy the twisted taste sensations that give you more of the delicious flavors you crave without the stuff you don't. $1.10 per package. Sunripe. Sunripe apple strawberry fruit to go, 100% fruit strip snacks, nut free. Yep, you heard it right. They're made with only fruit. Well, except for an occasional veggie. Now that's a snack you can feel good about. And they retail for 50 cents each. We've got another PB Crave. This is sweet and dark chocolate. And again, that's $1.10. And then we have 4 cheese mashed potatoes. What makes Idahoan classic mashed potatoes so good? We start with the highest quality potatoes grown in the rich soil of Idaho. These are Idahoans' best tasting classic mashed potatoes yet. For those that can't get enough of a good thing, our 4 cheese mashed potatoes blends cheddar, blue cheese, Romano, and Parmesan cheeses with 100% real Idaho potatoes. And then they also have the classic one, and these retail for $1.39 each. We have another Sunripe fruit to go, again 50 cents. So you see you get your money's worth and then some. We've got a better chip. This is jalapeno and cilantro. Better flavors start with better ingredients. That's why we blend fresh vegetables and herbs right into our masa for a perfect pairable and shareable snack made to complement fresh meats, cheeses, and dips. Try jalapeno and cilantro with cool guacamole, jack cheese, cherry tomatoes, pickled red onions, and cold beer. Those retail for $3.99. Oh, and the Marianne's Chinese meal kit retails for $6.99. Okay, and there we have a Marquis citrus yuzu. So Marquis is a USDA organic energy drink with 0 sugar, 0 calories. We're also certified non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and kosher. Energized with organic yerba mate, green tea, and green coffee beans. Marquis comes in 3 delicious flavors: citrus yuzu, super berry, and mango ginger. Please try all 3 flavors. This retails for $2.89. Bauducco chocolate wafers. We love these. They're crispy, they're delicate, with 3 delicious creamy layers. They taste great with coffee, milk, ice cream, you name it. Now made in the USA with no artificial colors or preservatives. $2.50 a package. Handfuls, Crunch Bites, BBQ almonds, barbecued almonds. I love almonds. It sounds like a great snack. Part nut, part chip, all delicious. That's a Crunch Bite. Whole roasted California almonds wrapped in crispy rice cracker shells packed with sweet mesquite barbecue flavor. Crunch Bites are unlike anything you've ever tasted. Gluten-free and CRC kosher, plus 3 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber per serving. These retail for $4.99 a bag. Okay, we're still not done. We have Mighty Spark. Let's see where this is from. I don't even see this on here. So is this a little extra goodie they decided to throw in? I don't see it on the list. Anyway, so I can't give you retail price on this Mighty Spark cranberry ginger chicken snack stick. And that's our DegustaBox, guys, for September. So like I said, you can get all these great things too, and you'll see that, you know, $6.99, $3.99. You're over the $9.99 with those two products alone, but you get the hippies, you get the tiger tail mustard, you get the Idahoan potatoes, you get the chia shots, the fruit to-go bars, the PB Crave packets, the Garden of Life protein bar, the chicken snack stick, the Crunch Bites, the Marquee energy drink, the Baduco wafers, the coupon for another Marquee drink when you buy one, and the Cocoa Bites. So lots of great things in this DegustaBox. So check it out. Let me know what you think your favorite product is. If you use a product here and you love it, let us know. And have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.